Hey guys, Brandon with Great Escapes RV with another quick tip for routine maintenance. So what we're going to be going over now is the Suburban water heater. Once a year, sometimes even twice a year, this little plug right here, that's called your anode rod. What that does is it protects your water heater from calcium and lime and mineral deposits that could eat away your tank. This anode's job is to attract all those bad things to it, and so it'll get eaten away. So what you want to do is you want to pull it out and inspect it and make sure it's not worn away. If it's just a little thin rod, it's time to replace it. If it's still got some beef to it, but it's all eaten away, you're still good. This is Brandon with Great Escapes with another quick tip.